Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya and Assam governments agree to set up regional committee to resolve the interstate boundary problems of the two states. Meghalaya Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul M. Sangma attributes derailment of development activities due to non-submission of utilization certificate. PHE Minister Renington L. Tongkhar seeks special grade for providing water tap connection to far-flung villages. And Maulai Phutmuri headman Sylvester Kurba passes away. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today said that the two Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam have mutually agreed for the setting up of a regional committee to resolve the long-pending interstate boundary problems of the two states. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said the setting up of the regional committee was agreed upon at the meeting of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa held at Guwahati. Tinsong also informed that the state government has set up 3 committees for Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi to make an in-depth study in their respective areas relating to border problems, including inspection.
Kabakan tup katuganet ligis nong kidon ni ba kumba san ligis nong haka apo katu area joka bakla para bat kaba arpat ka khana para pilang kata kabakan tup ya ki new teli kisnong tingilai keren menne bat karai kolomba kiru kinang ya submit susu ya ki kotisla ya ki jingtip leni ki documents ka kibadon kenang ba nakalian jom kane ka wepat ke komiti bakala sim ya kan ke jingtip ke banyak keren bat ka komiti joka sa ta kata kade ke menungkong komiti keren bat ke benta ka baan ya song ru ka komiti ke benungkong ha ka bade joka regional committee pat ka bade ka joint committee hap deng joka Assam bat ke Meghalaya ya kan iru mission ta sini atai trayo ka tu notification ka ba again nagalian ka sorkan Meghalaya ngalong chairman mangaron kat kini members iba dasket kum minister na kai ba ba sotun bat kum juru iba merudon baling ye jit kum ta palong nama ba kini ki langut ki dei coba involve direct ya kini ki jaka kabadon kan ka differences komo pi halaki jongki constituency tenglai som mentakas ni committee aga by DC dei members secretary bat nilai rai ba ngin sabu appointment no banesyong apdeng kan ka committee nang ne na Meghalaya kabahap igri district bat kumju bat ka Assam kaba uwe ni minister jo Assam masta hazerika ude chairman jo kade committee tenga trai lakum dulu hakate yo kemenengkong le kaba jong une mai pasipho ngin la ban syong ya kan ka committee aba ngin syong ya kan committee kolomba haki santeli ki terms of reference iong haki santeli ki nongrip ki bangin hap ban ya slok ngin ya kren ngin ya thir ngin ya pli jumbo ka benungkong kolong ya ka historical background jong ki arteli ki state la kalong na Assam la kalong na Meghalaya benta ka ba kolong kitu kisno ki ba buhay snong antu la kaktin kathli kanyam karukom im karukom manjoki kataru kade kawe ne ki kriteria ki bani ya bu nang tagabalai pede kaban pensuk hakalik kawan nakaliang gejing syak.
Meghalaya Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul M. Sangma today said there are many developmental activities, especially in the roads sector, that have been derailed as the state government is unable to submit the utilization certificates. Speaking to the media, Dr. Sangma said the delay in the implementation of the schemes which have been accorded sanction will only further deprive the development to take place in the state.
Talking only about the educational institutions, forget about others. Okay. I have talked about the fund by the World Bank for the whole road network. All the road network which is part of the road network under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. In other words, the national highways. All these national highways and the program which is funded by National Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, which were part of the program under the SARDP, they are all supported and funded by JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency. Then what about the state roads, the state highways, the inter-district roads? and various important roads which we considered as economically important roads, strategically important roads. They are covered by the fund under the MITP, by the World Bank. So these were all ready-made, available programs. We signed agreement with JICA in 2015, which includes your Dauki Road, National 44, and then your up to Dalu, that whole National 51 stretch, including NH 62. So what is that is preventing them from taking advantage of these available resources and pushing the program? You see? Now, what happened to that NH 127B, one of the most important project ever sanctioned in the Northeast, with a bridge over Brahmaputra, which is going to be the longest bridge over Brahmaputra, connecting Dhubri to our Garo Hills Phulbari, at Phulbari. What has happened to those road which comes up to your Nongstoin? NH 127B is from Sidrampur to Nongstoin. NH 44E is up to Nongstoin only. Okay. So you have this whole developmental program which has already been cleared. Funding has been already tied up. So resources are available. Then you look at the programs which are covered under Ministry of Donor. You had recently seen the team from Rajya Sabha coming and visiting the state, the petition committee. Why have they come? What have they seen? I think you must ask them. I believe they must have given some press briefing, or I don't know. But the thing is that
Meghalaya PHE Minister Ranington L. Tongkhar today informed that he has apprised the Union Water Resources Ministry to give a special rate for providing water tap connection in the far-flung villages. Speaking to the media, Tongkhar said the rate for providing water tap connection to every household in the normal villages under Jal Jeevan Mission is okay, except for far-flung villages.
No, in fact, I would like to give you not the news of today. More importantly, it is better for you to know the news of that meeting on 16, which I had a meeting at Guwahati along with the Union Cabinet Minister Jal Shakti. So myself, I went there to attend that meeting along with my official from the department, and all others Northeastern state also come to Guwahati to attend that meeting, a review meeting, which is very, very good. It's really inspiring us to move ahead and to achieve the target in providing drinking water to the people in our different states in Northeast. One thing which I want to tell you that I have taken one issue, I have raised one issue about the insufficient fund, the rate that has been fixed by the ministry. Of course, to so many villages, to so many schemes, the rate fixed by the ministry, it is okay, it's workable. But there are so many villages where the rate fixed by the ministry, it's not sufficient to draw water to those villages. And it is really a matter of concern. We are targeting to give water to each and every household. But if we do not have sufficient fund, it will be very difficult to do that. So I raised this issue, requesting him. I said, sir, since you have come to Northeast, if you could give a special gift to Northeast people, it will be very, very good and will be a blessing to each and every state. If you can give us a special rate for those villages which we have to draw water from far away of the source, and for those villages also where they have one house in another hill, another house in another hill, the scatteredness of this houses in the villages, it is very difficult to do the work at that same rate for which it has been fixed by the ministry.
Meghalaya government is yet to suspend the police personnel involved in the killing of surrendered HNLC, said Kasurki Nongmaulai. Today again, the leaders, members and the supporters of Kasurki Nongmaulai held a protest demonstration in front of the Secretariat gates in Shillong. Speaking to the media, leaders of Kasurkinong Maulai said that 1.5 months has passed and the state government is yet to concede to the demands to suspend the police personnel involved in the killing of Tangkyu in the wee hours of the 13th of last month.
Bila dawa bagi lagi kita lagi minta beladam si beladam ini bana kalian government ada minta tempat semua akuan tempat semua singkia ya kan dawa untuk mulai bana kalian jungi ini si beladam di belum di beladam di bala hati bentai berpikir dan tujuh lastan untuk mulai dan masukkan umru bahagian ketika masuk jungi bana kalian jungi minta qua banding dengan personal hampir ko sekretariat dan personal sa government baka di suspend na kabaka ni kan koy kadanya man isuru ba kani kajing bom singkya ng government ba kajing bom qua dan suspend si ko kabaka ni kan koy kadanya yung baka dan kay hangad na marwa yung qua baka ni kan koy kabaka kadanya man bagi ni ki kulit ki badan ki hartu ka step ba kindan ko kan lain kalian jumpa ka government ka di masuk tua ba ka di ban singkya no nomor ba miru nakalian jung kesor mulai nomla nomor ngim tua syu ba kumbalong ki si belada pe senam ki belad bun ki samla ki beladu no ilang jung ngim bana sebelum ba kani kajing le jung ki kudat ha tu step bada ka government kam suspend ta kan penselur syu ki wei pat la sa hadin buat ba lada pidan kan no jung ba selan ki jung trace ni ki susiem be ki jung bana kalian jung ki kesor mulai dan ka tra sokya bangim kwa baki Kajak benda berduri pinjam dengan
With an aim to stand on his own feet, Hamar Bamuaring today started the Wonder May Life Wholesale at Maulai Bypass. The purpose of this is fresh fish to the people of Meghalaya. The fish will be taken from the newly clear pond. Speaking to the media, Hamaring said, the idea of it would be better to be self-employed rather than depending on government job, which have been very difficult these days.
Nang ni kelak banyo iki jaj khag baret ki bahe hador ka balok tap na bajen ki khag baret hador sta sa 4 kilo dan ki khag bahe hador sta sa 4 kilo nang ni la badan ki nang yo nang yo bakwa kan thir da khaj ni kelak ban phone number ni kan don ka delivery system ro hit kan ki lakin kwa delivery ro kelak ban thir yang ni lakin dia ni khabajan lagi ba rifasi jungi kinyo dan map ni ta khabajan abun muslim fi pam ta khabayap dai mata da ji pilat pinti jun play ta rat ni la ni ra ni kam sen ni kam nimba ka jing lam ni ji president jungi dalam generation jaga new trap life fish supplier association wa mata gi la ni ra ni ha nang ni bilang khayi repair sila ko nan sim ni ko kha jungi ha to dor bala ga tu na supply keling yo from sa west hais ka here la ban yo na ne la ban phone ngi ban tak ngi ba tim don for ban sim in delivery ya ki ha ki ban at ba kun samla jini ki bala gat ban puli ban e wat ki kam la ki ni ka kam kadang dina ha ida ban kam su ki bril ban tre ne kam tang mga marwe ni presiden jini dan perlak sini Arnold lagi ingin perlak dan pendiam di mana di bam khas beliau konsulat dan kam su isna samlai berni khmat wan khmat dan train ni kam dan kam jing rap wan ni rendu association jing dan association of in batai in ki kuno banle ni kada hewai la kudu share bagi kini no ya kam ni kiwe bagi de ban bat hi la kam di rajang rajulan kadang aslang na po riboy ba mentang na po aslang na riboy district mentang po east Kasir district next mission dri kada sedang tahir dan na jan tahir ngilit pasha west Kasir.
The headman of Maulai Putmuri in Shillong, Sylvester Kurba, passed away today. Kurba was one of the vocal leaders of Kasur Kindong Maulai, which spearheaded the various agitation programs to protest against the state government for the killing of the former member of proscribed Hinyotrep National Liberation Council, C. Thankyu, including suspension of personnel.
ai yêu tao brio boleh kam bom hok yenu te phi haman la ki kentien ki don la ki jong ki jingmut ki don la ki jong ki mining ase kum ka kentien khasi ka bi ong bam kemut bam ja bam do bam kuai bam khana bam alumuri pat kum ta ter te kalau don ka kentien ka bal se kawa mi baong ka kentien dalal kani lase baro ngi ju snow hi hakani ka job ka menta kawa kibril ki ju pelon kami kini kentien kemut ki broker lane ki middleman mo ki baju don benta man la ki office menta ban yarap ki bril ki wan ki jangai ki bom tip ya kalanti ya kumno bakin le bat pendek ki kam ki jam ki tu di broker ki ju yarap.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.